Hi, I'm Gethin Jones. Now, one of the things I've always wanted to do is get my motorcycle license, and since living in London I found it a fantastic way of getting from A to B. So here I am today at the Metropolis Centre for my Mod 1 test. Terry, our instructor, has given us a brief on this bike. I've never ridden a bike this size before, and now we're off to the yard around the corner to practice for Mod 1. Right, here we go. 2,000 revs. Let's see how I get on. Obstacle course, slalom, figure of 8, U-turn, practiced.
Are you ready for some lunch now? We go get some snack?
Always ready for a lunch.
Yeah? Okay.
Just finished the morning session, been practicing some exercises. We've got a few more to do this afternoon. Gonna grab a bite to eat and then get back to it. Next up, emergency stops. I'm used to swerving questions, now I'm swerving the motorbike. Second gear. Don't want it to come, you're going to look stupid. Look out, keep driving through. Stop between the 4 cones. How's that, bud?
That's the puppy.
That's the puppy. I've just completed the Mod 1 training for today. The next step is the test tomorrow. Unfortunately, we can't take the cameras with us, so you won't be able to know how I got on, but I'll let you know if I've passed or failed next time I see you.